Hello, this is Josephine, and I am live from ICLR. Today, I'm joined by Kenza, who's done some research on document intelligence. Kenza, I would love to know a bit more what your research is about.
Hi, I'm working on document intelligence for clinical trials protocols. We basically thought that protocols are very long documents that we need to parse, have a question answering about, and also retrieve information from. So we decided to focus on this problem specifically here.
Nice. So, can you share a bit more about some applications in clinical trials that you find useful?
Yes, so when we have a new clinical trial coming, we want to explore what we've done before so we do not reproduce the errors we've made. So the areas can be very different depending on the patient population, therapeutic area, etc. We need to be very specific on what we've done before, what were the problems, what were the risks and mitigation we implemented, so that we know that in the future trials we get the best version we can.
Nice. So, do you have some of that research in application already? And how are the results versus what you expected?
Yeah, so we've worked on comparing OCR models with VLMs because we've seen that there's a lot of VLM multimodal applications right now for parsing, QA, and retrieval. And we found that OCR is still a good model for some application, mostly handwritten text. And anything that doesn't need analysis of a specific image. But we find that if we want to optimize pipeline, it's interesting to compare what the document really has in its pages to pick the perfect model for the application.
Okay, interesting. So, what are the next steps with your research?
So I think what we found can be quite useful. We need, I think, more data sets to test.
Okay.
And more automatic pipelines. I think there's a lot of opportunities with agents, obviously skills, etc. So that's something I think we can explore more. VLMs have more flexibility, obviously, compared to OCR. So I think that's the next step.
Nice. And so on the data side, how are you collecting more data? Is it like with a human data set? Is it synthetic data?
I think we're mostly working on previous computer vision conferences, data sets, but we're also trying to do some data augmentations from that or synthetic data as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Visit.